Hey guys, click on the bell icon on the YouTube app to get all the new updates from my site. Be creative and sparkle, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel because it's completely free. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So if you guys have watched my previous video, I have shared a haul with you. Whatever the stuff which I have bought in last 1 month, I have shown you that guys. So some of the stuff which I have shown you from FOREVER21, some from Veramoda, some is left again from FOREVER21. Since it was pretty much long video, so I had to segregate the stuff into multiple videos. So yeah, that's the way it was. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can go ahead and check out that. So let's get started with our today's video. This video, which is like my Zara haul. Now Zara is having an amazing sale going on, and the very first day I just went ahead and bought some of the stuff. Very much formal stuff I have bought, especially trousers, because in office I love wearing trousers, the formal thing. So I bought that. So let's get started what I got with from the Zara. So the first thing which I bought, this cream color trouser, or actually these are like chinos kind of thing. It does have a belt attached to it. Pretty much basic color, but it is always easy to pair your basic color trousers with any color top, so that's why I bought it. It does have this detailing like this, which I really like. So yeah, the price was like where's the tag? Oh, there it is. The price was like 2290, but yeah, it was on off, so yes. So this was one thing which I got from Zara. The other thing which I got is this grey. Oh, that's like inside. I got to do it like inside out. Okay, so the next thing which I got is again this grey trouser. It does have like this folding at the bottom, which I really like. A proper formal like wear. You can pair it with like white, cream, blue, or maybe black, any color, and you are like sorted for your office. So this was like $24.90 again on off. It was like $11.90. So after off it was like 1190 rupees, which is like a steal buy. Like most of the time you never get like so cheap stuff at Zara, and I love formals at Zara. I really like it, so that's why I got this thing. The next thing which I bought is this black trouser. Again, I have bought like a lot black trousers, but black is like always, it's a universal formal, so that's why I bought it. Got two pockets here, pockets at the back, got elastic here, which I completely love because I don't like wearing belts to that extent, so elastic always makes you more comfortable. So yeah, and this was like priced at 2290. So yeah, this was it. The other thing which I bought from Zara is this red dress. Okay, now I think it's the first red dress I'm owning. Being a girl, I don't own any red dress, which is like quite weird, insane, but yeah, that's the way it is. Like Navy's favorite color is red. He has been asking me to buy something red. I don't own a red top, I don't own a red sweater, I don't own a red dress, anything related to red, so I never like bought it. I don't know why, but he always convinced me because it's his favorite color. This time I was like, you know what, I have to buy it. Luckily I got it over there. I really like the detailing at the sleeves. It got this ruffle detailing, which I really like. It's like till knees, loved the color completely, and it was suiting me as well. So yeah, and he's also very happy that I bought this color finally. And this was like priced at $14.90, and it costed me like $9.90, which is like amazing. Like, you know what, an easy way out to buy a dress on discounts and make your husband happy, because I bought his favorite color. Okay, so this was the stuff I got from Zara, and let me start with H&M now. From H&M, what I got is a pair of gloves, which is like maroon and grey. This is completely plain. It does have a bow over it. I'm planning to do some DIY to make it a little blingy, so most probably you'll see that video soon on my channel, so stay tuned with it. And this particular, I really like this bow trend. You know, it's bow styling and it looks pretty trendy. So yeah, this glass which I bought, it was not on discount, but I really like it. I think it was already on very much affordable price. So yeah, this was it. If you want to check out the prices, they'll be listed in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check out that. This pair of shoes I got, bellies actually. I really like it. It looks very okay. How's it? Okay, it's like this only. So it does have again bow styling over here. Here suede stuff. I don't like, honestly I love suede, but the problem with suede is it is like very high maintenance sort of thing, so it's really tough to take care of the suede stuff. But I was like, you know what, let's buy it, and it was looking really nice on me, so that's why I bought it. Again, it was on discount, which was like, what price? Yes, it was priced at like $17.99, but it was on discount. I need to check it. Okay, so this was thing. And one more thing which I bought, like before going on vacation, I bought this hat from H&M, which I completely love. I always wanted a hat from H&M, but they're like priced very high, so I was like, you know what, I'm not buying it, especially on a hat, because here you don't know where you'll be wearing it, you hardly wear it. So I was like, you know what, I'm not buying it. But then it was on discount, I couldn't resist myself. I was like, anyhow, I'm going on vacation and I need a hat, so I got this and I completely love it. I think it was also on discount. I need to check the price, I don't remember the price, but yeah, it was priced at I think 1300, 1400, but costed me I think around 800. I don't remember exactly, need to check that. So this was the stuff which I got from H&M. And what else? Oh yes, like, you won't believe right now my room is in complete mess because the clothes all over around me, like all over. It's like behind the scenes stuff, the situation which I'm telling you. Okay, the next thing which I bought from Will's Lifestyle. I admire this brand for its formal collection. It's like little costly, not very much, but then the formal collection that they are having is super amazing. I always love Will's collection, Will's Lifestyle collection. So yeah, what I just bought one thing from there, which is the sweater cardigan actually. Have buttons over it, very plain buttons, got some pattern on this, dotted, not really polka dot, but sort of, if you can see. Okay, so I got this. Why I got this? Again, for the office wear. Very much office wear. You can wear it over a white shirt and you're like sorted. It's that good. I really like this sweater. So yeah, this is what I got, you know, from here, from this lifestyle. Now coming to FOREVER21, what I got is in the previous. Ouch! Oh, okay. Just you have to handle it with care. It's gone. The paper bag is gone. It was super heavy. Okay, so in the previous video I shown you a couple of stuff from FOREVER21, but that video was getting super long, so I just skipped some of the stuff, and some of the stuff is in here. So let me show you guys what exactly I have. Okay, so the next thing which I bought is this clothes, black shade clothes. They are like full length clothes, and they're like not that much wide, but yeah, you can wear it like a trouser. It's like semi-formal sort of thing and pretty much high-waisted, which I completely love. Like I never used to like you know, high-waisted stuff to that extent, but of lately I'm like literally everything is like has to be a high-waisted. It looks super trendy, so you can wear it in office, again, party or get together, you can easily wear it. Again, the price is like $12.59. Oh, that is a very good buy. $12.59, 50% off, like 600 something. Oh my god, like it is a steal deal, man. It's a steal deal. Okay, the next thing which I bought, again, black. But this is like a 3/4 cloth. It's like, yeah, it's like from here. So 3/4 cloth and pretty much wider than the, you know, the other one. So this is something, of course, I can't wear it in office, but otherwise it's like it's a casual wear. You can easily pair it up with a crop top or a top and tuck it inside, and yeah, pretty much high-waisted, as I mentioned you earlier as well. Okay, so I bought these socks because it's winters, of course. So it's a knee-length socks, very much soft. And I always wanted knee-length socks, which I don't own any. So this time I bought like 2 knee-length socks, grey and black. So the length goes like this. Okay, this is some different stuff, and this is very much soft. This is like normal sock stuff, but then you can pair it up, like, you know, with a dress and you're good, or you know, at home you can wear it and you can snuggle in your bed. And this one I really like, and the cost was like $5.39. Okay, but I think it was also on 50% off. I'm not so sure, I need to check the bill. So hope you guys enjoyed this like super duper huge haul of mine. I hope you guys enjoyed it pretty well. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button, and also do subscribe to my channel. There's so many fun DIYs coming along your way, so stay tuned with me. And yeah, and also one more thing I really wanted to share with you. I am like really nearby 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very much excited about it. It's like a thrilling situation right now. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and then help me hitting that 1,000 subscribers. Now I know it's a very small milestone. You'll be like, she is crazy, like, you know, just 1,000 subscribers and people are having like million subscribers. But it's like a sense of achievement that I'm getting right now. It doesn't matter, it just matters that you guys are involved with me and I'm involved with you, and that's it, right? So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it and help me reaching that 1,000 subscribers. I'll be very much happy. I shall see you later in my next one. Till then, stay happy. Bye.